Hi, it's Brian with Box Steam Star. I'm an IICRC certified master cleaner with over 30 years in the business, and I want to talk about one of probably the most popular question I get probably every week in my career is, can I clean this or should I replace this? And how do we handle that? Obviously, we don't want to come out to your house and have you not be satisfied, but I've also learned through the years that I can't get into your heads and say, what's good enough? What are we trying to achieve here? And because we've been in situations where we've cleaned it and we think it looked cleaned up great. And like, no, I think I'm just going to go ahead and replace that. Or other side of that is, man, I don't think it made much of a difference. And they're like, you know what? That's okay. I think we can keep that, and that looks good to me. So it's your perception we're concerned about, not ours. And I want to answer this too. This is for normal soiling load. This is for, is my carpets dirty? Is my upholstery dirty? The tile and grout? All of what we're going to talk about kind of applies to that. I'll take the pet odor issues and the pet urine saturation situations and put that aside. If we need to address those, we really need to call in and do a pet odor inspection and come out and take a look. And we can do those anywhere in the Kansas City area for free. But how do we handle ones that, hey man, I just don't know if this is going to clean up or should I just go and replace it? So it's real simple. I can't do that either because we don't know how much is soil load and how much is a condition we call apparent soiling. And here's a good analogy to what apparent soiling really is. If synthetic yarns are really refined plastics, so I have a plastic tube here, and if I hold it to the camera, you can kind of see it's nice and clear. We can see through it. It's still pretty shiny. And imagine this as a carpet fiber under magnification. Okay, and through the years, as we get oils and gritty soils that collect on this, and then foot traffic puts micro scratches and dulls that yarn to where it looks like that. Okay, and that's all we've done is took a piece of sandpaper to this and to simulate this. And this could be on your couch, this could be on a rug, this could be on a floor. And certainly on carpets as well. So that's a condition called apparent soiling. Some of the things we're dealing with is soil load. I mean, I think we'll always improve a situation. But we don't know as cleaners either how much is soil load and how much is apparent soiling. So how do we handle that? It's real simple. Let's come out to your house, set up, and let's clean a little bit. We call it a free demo, a free demonstration, and we'll clean a little area. Okay, it could be a cushion, it could be a part of a rug, it could be a 5x5 area that's really soiled of your carpets, and let's let you see the difference with the intent, if it cleans up and if you're happy with it, we're going to stay and do the rest of the job. We do have minimum cleaning charges that apply, and you can ask the office what the current one is, and we certainly want to earn our money and stay and do things, but we understand there are some situations where, you know what, I think I'm just going to go ahead and replace that, and hey, you know what? We don't want you to be unhappy. We'll just stop. We'll call it a free demo, and we'll just not charge you for that. And that's about as fair as we can be in those scenarios. So, but we do need to come out and get started and clean a little bit and actually see it. Okay, we can't really judge that either as cleaners. So having me come out or having somebody come out and look at it, we'll tell you the same thing now. We'll tell you the same thing when we come out there to give you a bid. We really need to get a crew out there, and that's how we handle that. We'll do a free demonstration on any of our services. That way you can see the difference. And hopefully, we know through the years that most of the time we stay and we do a little bit more. So, but anyway, we want you to make sure that you're happy with it, and I hope that addresses that question. Please call us if we can set up a free demo for you.